Hello, Robert Heffernan with EndoTech. This is Blockchain Vitals. It's our daily show talking cryptocurrencies. And good morning in Asia, and very important here, it's March 1st already in Asia. So we have a monthly roll. We got a fractal that you have to pay attention to. What are the monthly charts telling us? What do they do? I am a master endotechnician, and I am here to help educate you or guide you along in your trading endeavors in the crypto asset class. Please follow us at endotech.io and at HFR from the floor in the Twitter sphere. And let's do the rounds and talk about one thing I noticed today. And, when I see a headline well, let's just bring it up here. Doing the rounds, my chance to talk something in the Twitter sphere or a headline that I saw. And it's a pretty in-depth article on NEO. NEO used to be, I believe we covered it in the top 10. It's definitely on the endotech.io site. Not on the sheets that I've been covering here lately because it's not in the top 10 or 12 that we look at. But right there, I think it's 13 just behind Dash in our analysis. Anyway, NEO, this is kind of how I look at it. When there's an article that fundamentally paints a picture for maybe a longer term play, then you have to start, for me, then I look at the technicals. What are the technicals telling us, right? And NEO, the very first line in the article talks about NEO being the Ethereum of China. And if you don't pay attention to things going on in China, I think you're going to miss out on some of the plays in the crypto space. Anyway, NEO trading around $9, and I was on the moon at over $200 or around $200. So definitely interesting to look for and to look at. And we've just rolled the monthly, right? So we get to talk about what NEO is doing on the monthly. So you know what? Let's take the vitals because that's what we need to talk about today is the vitals. Taking the vitals, that blockchain vitals sheet is your daily resource for identifying strength and weakness and potentials in the marketplace in any particular coin that we cover. And I've been covering this week BNB, the Binance coin, and I think fundamentally it's got a great story. And right now trading 1047. Trying to sniff back into Upmo on the daily and some very interesting developments here on the monthly chart. I had talked about BNB and the fact that, closing above 1007 would be very healthy, right? Because we'd be above the moving average. BNB nowhere near its monthly lower momentum, which a lot of these coins are trying to fight through and or in this month, depending on the coin, actually opened above. First time we've seen this in months and months in this asset class. So, monthly charts take a longer time to develop, but when there's health or healthier price action on a monthly chart, you better be paying attention. That's all I got to tell you. You better be paying attention. So anyway, lower momentum on the monthly, which we just rolled in BNB down at $7.69. So when it got a washout, to write that number down, keep that in mind going forward this month if there's a washout. Great place to enter the market, especially if it's a flash crash type of situation. Always have something rested on these longer term areas, and because this market gets goofy, man, and sometimes exchanges do incredibly poor job of order management, and there are flashes still available for participation in this asset class. But anyway, the interesting part to me on this chart is we got some positive potentiality working now, at least on the average, because the monthly moving average kicked up to $10.61. So we opened above last month's monthly moving average, but below where it shifted to. So we need a little bit more strength here out of BNB to really start painting that longer term picture of health. So that monthly moving average at 1061. We've talked about that weekly. We didn't quite get down to 892, that weekly up momentum level. And room now on the monthly up to $13.51. That would be the monthly up momentum level, and one of the only coins that we can actually talk about that monthly up momentum level being actually in play realistically in this, with what's been going on in this marketplace. All right. So anyway, that's BNB on the monthly, looking a little bit healthier here. Put in a nice candle today. Love to see them recapture up momentum and close them above 1057, and then we will talk about that 1061, 1057 area might as well be the same, right? And then we can talk about that monthly up momentum level on strength here at $13.51 for BNB. All right, listen, thank you so much for watching on YouTube. If you want to watch the whole segment, you need to be an EndoTech subscriber, so please go to endotech.io and subscribe for all the actionable trading information on the site, along with seeing the entire segment daily that I am putting out. So thank you so much for watching on YouTube, and see you later.